Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Also included in a company's income statement are the expense accounts. Expense accounts are used to track the money spent by a business over a time period. Because a company spends its money on very many different types of things, there are often very many expense accounts. When setting up your expense accounts, forget the word miscellaneous was ever invented. You do not want to have a miscellaneous expense account. You will have a hard time justifying it to your tax preparer and may miss available deductions if expenses are not correctly categorized. When you create the expense accounts in the chart of accounts, one way to decide what expense accounts you may need is to look at what the business spends its money on using the business checking account register. Accounting software can also make this easy to set up by providing you with a sample chart of accounts which you can then modify as needed. Using the example of the florist that we used when we were discussing our income accounts, you would once again start by analyzing some of the things that the company money was spent on. Once again, you would want to combine similar expenses into one account, like utilities, for example. You would also want to separate items upon which you wanted to keep very close track. Once you've created the expense accounts, you can then generate reports to see how much is being spent on items in a given time period. This can then give you the information required to price products and services accurately, as well as see where you could potentially trim expenses.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.